Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Everyone comes together in the space that equals the sky. From the very beginning we have no thought of duality. As one, we have nothing to think about. Not thinking is, in fact, the end of thinking. It is said in the unwritten Tantra that it is just as we cooperate that we are famed. We are beyond all colors, classes, and lineages. At the ending of our letters, anything is possible. They say that there is a true absence of something. The fools believe in both exaggerations and depreciations. In the wisdom where emptiness is beyond extremes, what do we have to do with existent or absent? Our so-called meditation is an attached attitude that destroys our visualizations. The desire to be free is an attachment. Rejection is itself attachment. If non-attachment is itself attachment, then by hunting for our attachments, we will not find any depth. In the sky that has no depth or end, the desire to meditate by holding a visualization is the work of fools. The desire to attain enlightenment through intentional actions is like counting the drops in the ocean. This is not through any existence. It is not through any absence. It is also not through both. A heart essence that has no end and is beyond grasping sees enlightenment to be the dominion of the Dharma itself. In the same way, in uncontrived equanimity, however we see things, that is how they are. When we attribute them for some reason, they are not that. Both of these are the extremes of our own ideas. In our own minds, which have no middles or extremes, when we want things to be like that, we have a path of delusions. When we understand that our obstructions are also like that, we will not hold onto anything as being like this.